Hi, my name is Jeff Williams. I'm director of Auburn University's Bee Center. Our mission is to promote the conservation and welfare of insect pollinators, especially bees. This group is vital to our environment as well as to our food security because of the ecosystem service that they provide by visiting flowering plants. We're working towards our mission by focusing our efforts on a few key objectives. First, by providing research-based information and solutions to our stakeholders like beekeepers, land managers, and policymakers.
My main research focus is how we are managing varroa destructor mites. These are the mites that are threatening our honeybee, our Apis mellifera colonies across the US and all over the world. Specifically in this field trial, we are testing different kind of treatments or groups of colonies. Some of them are resistant stocks, like bees that have been selected for the resistant the mite disease. Another product that we are trying out is a biotechnological product that you can use for targeting mite reproduction without using a chemical. Today we are finalizing this, testing out like the final results, how the colonies are looking like after 18 weeks of treatments.
These efforts are helped by cultivating students, both undergrads and graduate students, trained to study and advocate for insect pollinators. A key way we do this is providing them with immersive, real-life experiences.
Here at the Auburn Bee Center, we recently grafted 100 honeybee queens in preparation for an upcoming trial that I'll be leading for my graduate research. Right now we're doing what's called candling, where we inspect the queen cells that we made to see if there's a viable queen inside. And these queens will be used in a trial that's looking to test a new product to treat varroa mites, one of the most commonly cited causes for colony collapse. There's a lot of moving parts in a project of this scale, as we have over 100 colonies, but the team here at the Bee Center is great, and so I'm confident that we'll be able to handle things.
Right now, we're moving these hives from another apiary to this apiary. A big part of my job as an undergraduate technician is to make sure we have the proper number of hives and equipment at each of the apiaries for research trials. Before working with the Bee Center, I worked with their commercial honeybee removal service. We were mainly cutting out wild hives from residential areas like walls and attics. Working in the realm of research and with the hardworking team here at the Bee Center, it has given me a new understanding and appreciation of the science of beekeeping.
Auburn's Bee Center is unique because we focus on all types of bees, honeybees, but also the hundreds of native bees throughout the southeast.
So I'm an undergrad technician. Right now we're going through some old samples from 2023. These are bugs that we caught through our biochar project. These are our wasp, flies, and beetles, so all of the non-bees that we're keeping as part of the project. I'm going through and putting labels on each of them to show. It's got a QR code, it shows the location we caught it, who caught it, and it has an identifier number. And then we also have a label that shows what flower we caught it on, so that we can keep everything straight and get it entered into the database and have everything together.
My research focuses on wildflower planting management. Wildflower plantings are incredibly important for bees and are a way for landowners to try to encourage pollinators on their land. But the best way to manage these plantings is not very well known. Many of the wildflower species that are included in wildflower planting seed mixes are native prairie species. And these species persisted in the landscape due to disturbances like burning or grazing by large animals. So in my study, I'm looking at different management applications and seeing how those impact the wildflower species and blooms that are coming up in the plantings and also the bees that are visiting the plantings.
We really hope that our efforts contribute to vibrant, resilient bee communities and bee habitats in the future, a time when we can successfully balance our needs with a healthy environment. When we do this, the health and welfare of bees is also secured.